what's happening is, Den's cross line with Dad's were. So what we've had to do is, Dad's had to go get in and get it. But instead of finding that one first, we actually found our second pike. Yeah. Den's gonna pick it up now. Sure, there we are.
What I need now,
yeah,
is for you to build me the big net. So pass Dennan the phone, let him film, hurry up, some study water.
Dennan film.
Hold it straight, Dennan.
Just film the video.
Hold it straight, Dennan. Hold it straight. I'm in now, so I'm not stopping.
Yeah. And the water is basically cuddled too. How do you want it as top the highest it can get?
There's a ledger bomb.
Ledger bomb.
The line on. Keep filming. You've got to look through it. So that's a weight with a net that with a line that could catch on a duck or something. So Dad's got that out. Ready? There you go. Don't stand on the lure. Put it as long as that'll do at that. Just throw it to me. Don't win. Just throw it. Throw it.
I wish.
Right, take over filming because we'll edit it in a bit. So Super Dad is in his undies. Luckily, it's all khaki coloured for fishing, so it doesn't look dodgy. Yeah. 7 o'clock in the morning, lakeside, getting the lures out that the boys have got tangled. Savage Gear Burbot, £15. Just bought it yesterday for Dennan, and it's in the water.
Yeah. So yeah, Dad's getting the Burbot, and yeah, we've got weight. I forgot what it's called. We got the jack pike back, not the old one of the new ones. Then our second jack pike. The old one's gone. Yeah, so yeah. Seeing what happens if he does get that Burbot out. But at least we got the jack pike. That's for now. See what Dad caught. What are you trying to get?
There's another one and I've lost. The other one's gone under now, I think. No.
So yeah. Just seeing what happens for now. Wait, Dad, cause the Burbot's like the line's still there. Could we like?
Sorry?
Cause like the line's still, yeah.
The line snapped.
Oh.
Look, there's the trace that snapped off. It's bent. You can pull that in, but oh, definitely pike in there, isn't there?
You could get the pike with that.
Ready?
Yeah.
Oh!
What was it?
No.
Do I mess about, boys?
No.
Salmon nano. Oh!
Oh, you can reach that.
Do I let you down?
No.
No.
You never do this, guys. Remember, you never go into an open water. That.
Where's the net?
Keep filming. Keep filming as requested.
I need to get it. Somehow I'll get that.
I could grab that.
Only if you put your shoes in the water.
Look, mate, if you drop my phone and I can't even earn any money.
Okay, I'll hold it.
Hold his leg or something. You got it?
Yep. Got it.
There you go, there's two.
We need to get them all, don't we? Oh, who would throw a poo bag in the water?
Okay, Dennan. Where to?
Lewis were.
Let's go put him in the pile.
So,
Watch it.
oh wow.
Just get them before we forget them, mate. Don't sting your hand.
What was it?
It was I think it's a wrench.
Yeah. What have you found?
Oh yeah, baby.
You found another?
I think they've got,
Look at that in there.
I think they've got something.
You got that?
Hey, move back.
What was it?
Stay too long.
Look at that little dude.
Oh.
Let's see the little dude.
Oh.
He's got a knife in him.
A knife?
Yeah, no, like a little hook in it. And then.
Does Dad let you down, guys?
Never.
What?
He never.
Good man.
Dennan.
I have a scaly scab there. That means I'm dangerous. I will hit
What I want to
you.
do now.
Yeah.
Right, let's just finish this video then. So I'll say to Matt.
People play together, stay together.
What's Dad done in there?
Yeah. So, Dad has actually got in. He's got 3 lures back
And a
unexpectedly.
ledger bomb as well.
And a ledger bomb.
And all the lime. Was that good, Dee?
Yeah.
Has Dad done good?
Yeah.
People play together, stay together.
Really.
Yay!
Right.